How to fix high ping in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not your Wi-Fi connection, then you can switch to a cellular data as well. After that, go to the Play Store application on your device and search for Roblox application over here. So just make sure that you have an updated version of the Roblox application on your device. After that, all you have to do is just go to the Roblox application and make a long press over it. Then tap on app info and you'll be led to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on that. So you can clear cache, or if it's convenient for you, you can delete all data as well. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. So after that, all you have to do is just go to Roblox and you can see your error being fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.